Hi everyone, welcome to my channel Infinity Tech. So in this video, I'm going to show you how you protect your PDF file and how you add a password to a PDF file. So let's go. This is my offer letter and I need to protect this. For this, first of all, I need to go to the Google Chrome and here I need to type I love PDF. Just click on this website and at the bottom we have an option to protect your PDF. Click on this. I need to select the PDF. I need to protect. This is my offer letter. I need to protect this. And here I'm going to giving any password you want. And you need to do the same password for the other side. So this is very short. I think so I need to give longer password. Yeah, here now you can protect this. And now download the PDF. So this is the PDF I got. So how? This is the PDF. I just click on this and here you can see they want a password. So I need to add a password here. Here you can see now it's opening. So to protect your files, just follow this step. These are very easy steps. To get more informative videos like this, just follow my channel Infinity Tech. Bye. Take care.